Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Blaze, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. And now we can swipe left and right on the screen to change or scroll through the list of watch faces. As you can see, unfortunately, we have only two. Find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it, like this. We can also change the watch faces by using the phone app, so let's bring our phone right here. Open the LENOVO Live app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on Profile. Select our watch from the list, HW10H. Here tap on Dial. And as you can see, we have a list of watch faces, and we can tap on one to apply it on our watch. Let's check it. You can just change them like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.